What's going on, warriors? As promised, here is a daily warm-up that you can do. First, we always start with our assessments, right? So we can do a forward bend, coming down, seeing where we're tight at. For me, I'm tight right about there. Mid shin, my low back locks up a little bit. Or you could do an extension. So you just come up, go back, see wherever you're stuck at there. Or finally rotation, feet together, and then you just turn side to side. See where you're stuck at there, okay? So what we're gonna start here is the breathing, right? So we're gonna bring our hands between our rib cage and our pelvis. We're gonna breathe in our nose and try to expand that belly as we breathe in, breathe out through the mouth. And I do that 5 repetitions. Then I go through my RPR, just zone 1. So I start with the diaphragm wake up, starting just below the neck. Push my thumb down the middle of my sternum in an up and down motion. And I take my thumbs and I follow my rib cage in an upside down Y. And I just follow that along, come back up, boom, all the way to the neckline. Come back down, see if I can't breathe a little better down the diaphragm. Good. Next we go to our Psoas Wake Up. So our Psoas Wake Up is we find the belly button. We go about an inch out, inch down, push in, rub in a circular motion, pushing toward the spine. And then finally I go to my Glute Wake Up, which is behind the head. Start at the baseline, rub back and forth until I get to the jawline underneath the ear. I pull forward up to the eyes. And shake that out, right? So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little bit of mobility. So I'm going to go to my ankles, right? Especially right in the morning, you're waking up, your ankles are kind of creaky or whatever. So I come forward and I just lateral tilt to the side. And I really want to feel that joint underneath this bone right here pull just a little bit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then my other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. And then last but not least, we'll go to the visual system for a little bit. So these are the pencil push-ups that we just did in class. So you're going to take your finger, bring it to the nose, tip of the nose, back out. 5 repetitions. And then I bring it to the bridge of the nose. Follow in and out, 5 repetitions. And then finally, I follow up with my assessment. Bam, way better my flexion, my extension went way up, and boom, my rotation opened way up. See how it did for you. If you found this video valuable, make sure you give this video to your friends to use so they can get better, move better, feel better, and live better.